G'day everybody, Voodoo902 here, and welcome you to another pack opening video. So today's the last part of the pack openings today. So you bought myself a box, obviously, you've seen the last two videos, of AFL TeamCoach. And I've opened 12 packs in the last couple of videos, so today I've got 12 more packs to go, the last 12 packs. So we'll open those today. One thing to go, last video, when I was going through my, the pulls I got, I forgot to show that I did pull a Taylor Adams. I had him left at the back of there, so sorry for any Collingwood fans or anyone that was shouting at me that I'd missed it, but I did see it after I was packing up, and I was like, oh, too late now. So yeah, alrighty, so 12 packs today, last 12 packs of the box. We still haven't got ourselves the, what's it called, the Star Power, the green card, which is what you should be able to get in every box, so got that to look forward to. So get straight into it, and yep, packs are still shitty, and alrighty, well. Jeremy Finlayson, Rory Sloane. What have we got? We got Rudu, Jed Anderson, and Glitz Oddbods, his own saloon. And we got Lockie Weller, Tim Kelly, Luke Bruce, Red Couch, and Libba. Alright, as always, I always put my good cards into sleeves because that's what I do. Give them that little bit of added protection. Then we got Taylor Walker, Lockie Weller, Sam Walsh. We've got Tomahawk, which you think that would be reserved for Tom Hawkins of the Geelong, but there you go. And Caleb Sarong, Rising Star. Everything just got stuck and I dropped everything. It's all falling apart. There we go, back to normal. Hope you're all doing alright at the moment. If you're opening packs, I hope you're getting your cards that you'd like, because you're not always guaranteed what you want, which is unfortunate, but that's the way it goes. Travis Broke and Robbie Gray, the Port, really damaging duo. Josh Kelly, Superstar Power, shining bright like a diamond. Nick Nat. If you saw last week's video, Nick Nack absolutely feasted. Got all three cards. Well, got not all three, but got three cards of Nick Nack, including one of the card crafts. So it'd be nice to get another card craft of Nick Nack. That would be very welcome. Even if it's a double, I'll swap it for another one. Tarrant Thomas, Perriman, Paddy Cripps. And talking about card crafts, we've got ourselves a David Swallow, the first one. We'll just have a check. I think that's the action. Action, cheering, and portrait. So that's the action. We've got ourselves a Paddy Cripps gold. Struggling a bit this year, but as most good players do, well, the Paddy Cripps do as well. Most good players, they find a way to fight through, and then yeah, I'm sure he'll lift his game and then come to West Coast next year. Oh, that'd be very nice, but I don't see it happening. I think he's a Carlton man from one club man. I think he will be. Alrighty, David Swallow. But you never know. Chris Judd went from West Coast to Carlton back in the day. who knows? Paddy Cripps might come back home to the West Coast and go from Carlton to West Coast. So, Isaac Heaney, Kerno, Michael Walters, and whoo, there we go. Look where we go. Dustin Martin, Cardcraft, number 2. Beautiful. And Jake Springer, gold. Dommy Sheed, Is Dom is good. Is Dom is good. The Dustin Martin Cardcrafts are up there with the most, what's the word for that? Most wanted, most required. Oh yeah, there we go. Chuck that into a top loader. Get in there. Is there a double? There is. I thought it felt thick, and it was thick. Yes, I love to pronounce my word thick. Thickly. Jack Zeeble, Wayne Malera, Isaac Rankin, Meatball Meister. Here you go. Meatball Master. Jack Viney Gold, Colin Cleary, Jack Steele, Jack Darling, Darcy Moore. There you go, Meatball Master. I wonder if that's actually his nickname. Alrighty, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left. 6. Almost done. 30 packs done from this box. Last 6 to go. There we got Luke Parker, Riley O'Brien, Jake Stringer. We've got another best and fairest, a Lockie Neal, Brisbane Lions. Not bad, one bit. The Brownlow medalist from last year, obviously injured for a fair bit this year. Xavier Dursma, the gold card. Brad, Ollie, and Trelaw. Yeah, injured for a while. A couple of months, I think it was. That's the last I heard. Don't really pay too much attention about him, but there we go. I'll shut that in a top loader. Here we go. We've got the Brownlow medalist next to the Norm Smith medalist from last year. Oh, this one feels a bit thicker. I wonder if we've got more cards in this one. Feels like a 10-packer. We'll find out in a sec. Devon, Christian Drucker, Caleb Sarong, Collins. Oh, we've got Dane Zorko, captain, and Emily Bates. The Brisbane Lions, Will Day, Star Power, Josh Kennedy, Basher, Hugh, and I believe that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. There we go. 10 cards. Bonus card. Never say no to a bonus card. Even though it was just a common, but it's a free card, so always take it. Not much in life is free, so. And like every time I get a thick pack, it always feels like the next pack's thick, but it's not. Thick. Don't know if you enjoy the way I say that or not, or if it annoys you. Too bad. And we have our green supercard, and it is actually Tom Hawkins. So, yeah, not bad one bit. I'll chuck that. Sarah Gold, Koch. There we go. I'll be chucking that into a top. Oh, you Geelong fans out there. There we go. So I might have a quick check. I think that's probably one of the better cards you'll get today. Just give you 1 sec as you enjoy the background noise of a ukulele. And that one is P32. Let's have a look how much that one's going for at the moment. That one's going about $35, $40, so not a bad pull, not one bad pull at all. So that's the Star Power green card for this box. Don't think you can grab 2. That'd be amazing if you could, but I don't think it happens. Alrighty, that 5. Oh, let's move the last pack. Oh, jeez. Fumbling, yeah? Fumbling the ball. Darren Thomas. Got Hip Hop, Eric Hipwood, Glow. Odds. We've got Jack Henry from the Geelong in the gold card. Gresham, Dersma, Danaher, and Elliott. Saw his name, but didn't compute. Alrighty, so I was lucky enough to get a magic card from this box. So I think this box has been I'd say, yeah, it's been a success. I'm happy with the contents of this box, especially with the knick-knack pulls, the Eagles pulls cards that I got from it. So not complaining one bit. Got another card craft. This one is the Toby Green. So there's about 5 card crafts in this pack. We've got David Swallow Gold, Jack Rewalt, Tui Butler, Oscar Allen, Swimming. Oh, get in there. Shut that on the mint. And we've got our last pack for the box. So we'll get some last pack magic. Don't know if we will, but it's been a very, very good box to us so far. But yeah, you know. Luke McDonald, Matty Crouch, Sam Draper. Oh, jeez. Another card craft. Jack Zeeble. And Daniel Talia. That's the gold. Wingard, Grundy, Mitch, and Robbie Gray. Oh, yeah, Robbie Gray. So, finishing on a strong note. I think I was 2 packs in a row with for card crafts. Oh, put that in the sleeve first. Silly me. Get ahead of myself. Running out of room in the back there, so having a look at the pulls we got today. There we go. Glitz, Hip Hop, Glow, Meat Meister, Glow, Tomahawk, Glow. Got ourselves a couple. Robbie Gray, Travis Broke, Dane Zorko, Emily Bates, 3D icons. Got some golds. Dave Talia, David Swallow, Jack Henry, Sarah, Dersma, Jack Viney, Jake Stringer, Paddy Cripps, Will Dane. You get as many superpowers this one. Got a lot more golds, but look at that. I'd rather that than these. Yeah, who wouldn't? So yeah, Will Day, Rising Star, Superstar Josh Kelly, Rising Star Caleb Sarong, Lockie Wheeler, Superstar, and then yeah, Lockie Neal, Best and Fairest, a whole slew. 4 in these last packs. 4. Jack Zeeble, Toby Green, Dustin Martin, David Swallow, And the box superstar power was the Tomahawk. So, yeah. And just a quick recap from the last couple of videos as well. I've seen it, but I'll just show them off. Nick Nat, best and fairest. We've got Nick Nat, a Cardcraft. Taylor Adams, best and fairest. Luke Ryan, best and fairest. Mark Bonatelli, your Magic Wildcard, and Tom Mitchell. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Cardcrafts. Nothing to complain about that. 4 best and fairests, Magic, and then yeah, Superstar, and then obviously everything, all the other cards you get with them as well. So I'd say that was a very, very nice box. So yeah, so if you liked the video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section. Tell me what you liked. Have you got more card crafts in one box than myself? Like, it's the first box I bought, and that's a lot of card crafts. So I think, yeah, very happy with that. And like I said, I will be getting in some of the Select this year's 2021. So I'm going to get a box of the Select, and then a box of the Select, what's called the Prestige edition. So yeah, that'll be interesting. So stay tuned for those openings on the channel. So yeah, besides that, I'll leave you to it and enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.